every time I hit that thing. Ouch. What the? All right, guys, I'm gonna do a Skate 3 challenge today, and I'm gonna try to do a double backflip. I'm pretty sure there's people out there that have even done triple backflips, but I suck at Skate 3, and I'm a Skate 3 noob, so let's see what we can do. First, I'm gonna start with going to the trick guide, because I'm pretty sure it's in here under other tricks. And it says backflip, so RT, LT, so left trigger, right trigger, left stick down. Left trigger, right, so start grabbing the board and pull down just as you take off into the air to start a backflip. Let go at the right time to land. I saw Zexy Zek do, I think it was a front flip from flat, like literally on flat. And I was like, that got me thinking, if he can do a front flip on flat, it is possible to do a double back or front flip. I don't even care which one, I just want to do it. So let's get into the game. I'm at Super Ultra Mega Park, which I feel like is the right place to do a double backflip. And let's go. Like I was left sticking. I don't know why it wasn't, okay, get me back to the top. I don't know why it wasn't doing that. Okay, also not what I expected, but I'll take it. Okay, let's just go nice and slow. Yeah, I got you, I got you. Let's just get some speed here. Yes. And now, let's hit this. And backflip. Okay. We did one. I did one. Okay, so I got that. Now I just need to take that one. I need to make it into two. Okay, I'm kind of thinking I need to start from down there. Although I just love this hubba so much. Okay, let's get a good trick on the hubba before we leave it. Okay, give me just a solid back tail. Backflip, I'll take that too. Ouch. Can you imagine your shins jumping off of that and landing your shins on a metal bench? Okay, yes, I love it. Okay, now I'm just gonna go into this nice and slow. Slow as we can. Whoa! And backflip. Not a backflip, but I like it. I like where we're headed with that. Why? How can Zexy Zek do a freaking front flip on the flat, and I can't even do it off the biggest jump in the game? Okay. Just push in nice and slow. Let's go. And we're away. And now let's go. Okay, I like that. I was trying, but I like it. Flip! Okay, there's clearly something I'm doing wrong. Trick guide. Take me back to the trick guide. Other tricks. Front flip. Right trigger. Does it mean right trigger plus left trigger, like you have to push both, or is it either one? LT, RT plus left stick. Okay, I'm pretty sure I'm reading this wrong, and it's one. It doesn't have to be both. So let's take it back to the hubba. See what we got there. Bad execution on the way out, but good on the way in. Okay, a little Mongo push into the world's steepest drop in. And that happened. So, do I need to like, why? Okay. Maybe I don't know how to read the trick guide, skateboard trick guide, which is what I made at BrailleSkateboarding.com for real skateboarding tricks. If any of you want to learn how to do real skateboarding tricks, we got you at BrailleSkateboarding.com. Okay, let's go. Oh, sorry. Did not mean to do that. Okay. Probably this is the way. Okay, I did it. Okay, that was pretty sick. Let's roll into this, nice and easy. Let's do a freaking backflip, Aaron. It's definitely some of the most air I've ever gotten. Oh, that tweak was so good. Okay, guys, I know this is not the point of the video, but I need to see what that looked like. With the tweak and the 180 out, so sick. And then the wall hit at the end, just topped it off. Okay, let's get out of there. Okay, let's go. Okay, I like that. I like the blunt slide. Ollie in, very nice, and backflip. Okay, I did it. I did a backflip. Backflip again, please. Why aren't you backflipping? Hitting all the same buttons. Every time I hit that thing. Every freaking time. I'm really confused though, because sometimes it backflips when I push the buttons that it says it's meant to do when you're supposed to meant to backflip. And then other times it just doesn't. Okay, I would take that in real life. Also, my new favorite thing is riding into this thing and just like that. I was like, please land that into the rocks. It'll be the greatest day of my life if I land that into the rocks. And I didn't. Okay, I got it. I know what the challenge is gonna be, because clearly I can barely do one backflip, which I'm really confused about, because I was doing backflips before, I swear to you. But now I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a quad flip 900. That's gonna be the challenge. Okay, get in there, and then, ouch. I went really far though. You gotta give me that. Quad flip 900, we got this. And yes, that hubba every time is just for extra measure. But let's get a sick kickflip into this. You ready? Wasn't a kickflip at all. Quad kickflip 900, let's go. That was basically first try. Okay, why aren't you backflipping though? Okay, I don't understand Skate 3. I don't understand. Why doesn't it work? Okay, that was so sick what I just did just there. Yes. And yes. What the? Okay. Okay. That was the best thing ever. Yes. Please. That was the greatest. I just basically hit every button that exists. It was like a 540 step off to run on a hill to then boneless in. Okay, that was stupid. I love it. I love every second of it. Let's go back to the top. Let's get the grind on. You know what I should do actually is I should learn all the grinds. Okay, let's try and do a tray flip. Wow, I was gonna say if I land that it'll be amazing, but I didn't. I landed douche and then went right into a wall, just smack right into the wall. Okay, take it back to the top. Let's go, kickflip back tail. Oh, back Smith, that was so good. Now let's go nice and slow. Early kickflip. Yeah, I mean, not totally it, but I'll take it. Give me a frickin', why do you do that? I don't know what's happening, guys. I don't know. Trick guide. Let's go back to the trick guide again. Maybe I need to look at some other things just to see what's happening. Dark catches. Nollie kickflip dark catch. What the heck? RB, right bumper. Okay, I'm not trying to do that anyways. What I'm trying to do is flip. LT, RT. I mean, LS, don't get me wrong, is the left stick. Am I right? It's gotta be right. Oh, while we're in this though, let's coffin. RT plus LT, X and A. How did I do that? Right trigger? Oh. What? Okay, we got this. No way, no way. Oh! No way. Why is he going so slow? It should be going so fast. What? What? Wow! I did a coffin 180. Oh! In real life, that would be so good! Okay, I found my new favorite thing in Skate 3, the coffin. Okay. Are you really rolling now? Coffin. What are you doing? I didn't say to do that. I said roll into that coffin. Wow. I'll take that. Okay, here we go. Okay. Why are you going so slow? Coffin 360. Okay, I got an idea. Maybe I can get some speed here. And then go. Well, I got the coffin 180 now. Oh, another coffin 180. I guess you can't spin there. Oh! That would literally be the worst slam ever. Ouch. Don't do this at home, kids. Do not do this at home. Okay, thank you. That was fun. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Whoa, no way, can I land that? Coffin transfer? Oh, that was sick. Let's go, coffin transfer. Oh, that might be it right there. That might be the place where I can 360 in. I don't know what I did there, but I'll take it. Ouch. Some things in Skate 3 just pain me so much, and that was one of them. Oh. What? No way I did it! I did it! That was amazing. Okay, we gotta see that replay. Let's go back. Not only did I do the sickest coffin transfer in, look at this. Watch this, I love it. Okay, hold that, get that out of there. Wait for it. Boom. Biggest backwards coffin slide, then boom. Wait for it. Coffin 360. I did it. I can't believe that happened. Okay, I love that. I love that. I made it. All right, guys. Well, I started out this video by saying I'm going to do a double backflip, and then I quickly realized I'm not going to do a double backflip. But leave it in the comments below if you want to see me actually do a double backflip. I'm super stoked on the Coffin 360. I'm having an absolute blast playing this game. I hope you guys are having fun watching these videos. And I'm making these to inspire more people to get on a skateboard. I will teach you all of the basics. Don't worry. It's not going to be too dangerous. It's not going to be too hard. You got to just learn the tricks from the easiest trick forward. Just like how you learn how to play Skate 3, only instead of on a video game, it's in real life. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com. Let's get it. We'll see you out there shredding.